In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to upload your loops inside of Suno AI. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Suno AI like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to create after you're logged into your account. Then from here, you need to go down to this little plus icon where you'll see three options. You can either add prompts, add audio, or add persona. If you want to add the audio or loops, you need to add in the audio here. Then from here, you need to either record the audio or you can select a file from your computer. And when you do that, click here. You can save and trim if you want to do that. Then when you're done, you simply need to click save without trimming. Then from here, it's going to finalize and you can title the audio or the loop if you want to do that. You can also create a new image for the specific loop if you want to do that. When it's finished downloading, it will appear up here in my workspace, where you can choose the song and make a beat or make a song. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!